If your car cranks but won't start sometimes, you're facing a huge safety risk. This usually means your neutral safety switch is failing. Most people think it's just annoying, but it gets dangerous fast. The switch is breaking down in stages. First, random no starts. Then it completely fails and lets your car start while in drive. If you don't fix it, your car can roll away and cause serious accidents. The lawsuits alone could ruin you financially. A $20 switch replacement now beats a $100,000 lawsuit later.